This program is brought to you by Igil Electrical Engineering, Glows Closet, Richest Assuring Agency.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Ladies Arena, and I'll forever be your host. My name is Pendulab, or you can call me Bliss. On this show, we talk about so many things, but today we are going to talk about relationship. Let's go for a quick commercial break and we'll be back.
Richest Assuring Agency and so aba ewo Kumasi ha oye wedding, funeral, engagement, birthday party, uprobi ama na be serve ama wo obema onkofo atena si yie ama wa efrase anase birthday na se ayefede a Richest Assuring Agency and American for a day ama from 0547646519 eso na omobejo so na hyehyɛ wo bia no omo anyway.
But a career dosto, and unti amaye who cremo papa. Nene mremu gana hadi, se wope engineers papa, ama waya ufia mawa, and ye na mekamfo Igil Electrical Engineering and na ediama wo, wonjuma wodie ebine domestic, commercial, and afi industrial wiring, or ye electrical audit, fault diagnosis, and afi maintenance, or science or air estimation. So wasi ufia na upo bi amana estimate amawo, wasi ufia na upewa yes papa edi awaya mudie eni na mekamfo Igil Electrical Engineering ena edi amawo owo Atonsu High School Junction New Market hono moa to me afre one ewo 0245 688 274 0245 688 274 eso Igil Electrical Engineering ana or say we keep you safe.
Welcome back. Today I have my beautiful guests, Ohima Berry and Millie Marcus. Hello, Ohima Berry.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm good, sir.
I'm good. Thanks. Millie, how are you?
I'm doing good. What about you?
I'm good. Thanks. Okay, so when we talk about relationship, so I'm going to ask you guys, when we say relationship, how do you understand in your own aspects? How do you understand relationship?
Okay. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. So when we talk about relationship, our main understanding, when I think relationship is the connection between two people. In Kitamudia, nipa mienu anane something biano a relationship.
Yeah. Thank you. What about you, Mrs.?
Well, there's some fast opportunity which are the phone and not for phone.
Okay.
I say can be for relationship or one. Maybe I say it's a relationship, a connection between two people, whether it's by blood, a marriage or friendship. That's what I know about relationship.
Okay. Thank you. About relationship, you'll be honest and everything at time. Okay. So, have you guys ever been in a relationship before?
I think everyone is in a relationship. Because
I'm not in a relationship.
Why?
And I've never been in a relationship.
How?
Yeah. I've been in a relationship with my family.
Mm-hmm. So it's a relationship?
No.
Yeah. But you know when about like my mission is we black guys black people. It has a relationship. Call like so
that is a romantic relationship.
But so are you in a relationship? What comes in your mind? Like
no, think that you are in a relationship with a guy, but not with a family.
So you have to correct them. You're correct. Black people will come and realize say relationship is not just about going out with someone.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. So my bad. I've been in a relationship with my family, but not in a romantic way.
Yes, that's what you have to say.
Okay. Yeah. Are you the one interviewing me?
No, but that is what you have to say. Yes, because you can't tell me you've never been in a relationship. Well, I'm in a relationship with you because we have connection.
I'm sorry. Okay. Okay. So Have you been in a romantic relationship before?
Of course, I have.
How many times?
How many times?
Yeah.
Uncountable.
Uncountable part.
Romantic relationship.
Yeah.
Okay, maybe I'm not getting it right because you can go out on a date with someone without having any further thing, and I think that one too is a romantic relationship.
Yeah.
Yes, so it's uncountable.
Uncountable.
Yeah.
Okay, so in your own aspect now, like
Mhm.
share with us like your experience in being in a romantic relationship with someone. Like share with us. Nah, yeah, your voice, your community, your phone. Nah, yeah.
Okay, so me when you talk about romantic relationship, said I may come on. I think say you're going out on a date with someone because you can go out on a date with someone without having any further thing to do with the person. To say if I say only will be champion. So going out on a date with someone, it's not just about
Someone like you have to specify if it's a guy or
you can go on a date with a lady.
Yeah.
It's a date.
Yeah.
Okay, but as a Africans, they say because I'm going on a date with someone, it's just said they have something extra doing. But I can go on a date with me, but Millie is a girl. And not just say we are doing lesbianism or something.
Yeah.
Yes, so being in a romantic relationship, as you want me to say, I think say for me, when I say I'm in a relationship or I'm in a romantic relationship, serious relationship, and the amount of a courtship, right?
Yeah.
Yes, it's when you meet a guy, the guy proposes or you propose. Africa, but you're proposing. If you propose, it's also
Yeah, we are back with them.
Yes,
But me, you call that emphasize. It's not like that.
that is what I'm saying. It's Africans. We have that. Yes.
I think it's only Ghana.
No,
Ghana.
no, not only
Really?
that. African countries will be related that. So it's either Behano they propose and also Obano they propose for you to get to know each other, to take it to the next level. For me, I think serious romantic relationship. Yes.
Into the maximum what can I say? Like, oh, your banner also need to know people.
Yes, you can. Yes.
I'm on Moses Kaswaka. What about you, Vincent? Have you ever been in a relationship before?
yeah, with my family, friends.
In a romantic relationship? Sorry.
I haven't.
You haven't? No, you can't tell me that.
But you are saying you haven't. So
Yeah, you haven't. So why
what's the
can't I?
difference?
Okay, sorry.
I haven't.
You haven't. Okay. So you don't know anything about romantic relationship? You don't.
She does. She
I
does.
don't.
She does.
She does.
What makes you so sure that she does?
Because you do.
I
You don't know something about it.
I don't do.
I don't.
I don't know. I don't know anything about it.
about romantic.
I don't know anything about it.
Then I think you are not the right people to have this discussion.
No.
If you don't have any idea about it.
And I make us when it comes to relationship, no, it's not about a romantic.
So what relationship do you really want us to discuss now?
Both. So that's why I'm moving. So you guys are sharing it with
But she
me.
said she doesn't know and she's your guest.
But you know.
Yeah,
Right.
So you have no right to be your guest if she doesn't have any
But
idea
it's
about
not about
it.
only relationship that I'm going to ask you
Okay.
guys. So
Okay.
maybe she has any idea about something.
Okay.
else.
Alright.
Hey, guess my friend, my pa. Okay. Our next question is, wait a minute, go piece of me now. I'm going to something. Okay. Are you attracted to bad guys or nerds? Because the nerds are like geek, and remember now, pay like they're into books and other stuff. Like I'm not kind of like a bad boy, like we for kind of.
Hey, really?
Sorry, I'm
Okay.
So we can read,
But
yeah.
no, weed itself is not a bad thing.
Yeah,
Because
I
all
know.
hospitals now they introduce it to people.
Share.
But how they take it, no, as in they overtake it and Bible can say Bibia and more sway upon it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and they don't remind you bad, but mentioning weed, it's not a bad thing. Okay.
Okay, so my main can say
Can you even
overdo it.
Yeah.
No, my yablos.
Oh no, me, I'm not attracted to them. Never.
So you're not attracted. Okay, let's forget about the weed. Are you attracted to bad? Because we have
No.
like bad boys that don't smoke mebua.
Yeah.
No, me, I'm not even attracted to a guy or Nama watching also. I'm not attracted to those.
It doesn't mean that the guy is bad or something.
No, every bad guy does that.
No, not all.
Really?
No, you can't
Have you
tell.
seen a decent guy?
Of course.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Barry's Online TV.